There is a burglary committed every 10 seconds. How can you have the ultimate peace of mind knowing your home cannot be penetrated? Real protection for your loved ones, your valuables, and your personal safety is available only with the unique Swedge wireless security alarm system.
It's Swedge.
I simply place a Swedge near my door or window. I can even leave it open a bit. I feel totally secure with the Swedge because it's the only system that physically stops an intruder from entering my home.
The Swedge is much safer than a chain lock and stronger than a deadbolt. It's so easy, anyone can use it. A stainless steel pressure plate at the top directs the force of an opening door or window to the bottom of the Swedge.
As an officer of the law, I've seen systems costing thousands of dollars sound an alarm or alert headquarters, but they do not prevent forced entry. The Swedge does.
The Swedge is a quality device. I like it because it never faults alarms. I can easily remove it in an emergency, and it comes with batteries installed.
Homeowners with alarm systems get added security. Great for renters, travelers, people on the go. The patented adhesive lets you move your Swedge over and over. No permanent installation is required. If you're home alone, have children home after school, are a single woman or a senior, then you need to order a Swedge.
The Swedge is incredibly affordable. It's amazing the amount of security you can get for the money.
We have a Swedge in every window and every door in our home. We feel very safe.
You don't have to be a victim. The Swedge will give you the security you need.
Every home requires protection. Everyone should Swedge-proof their home.
Order a Swedge for your home right now for the remarkably low price of just $29.95. And if you call right now, when you order a door Swedge, we'll send you a window Swedge, valued at $19.95, absolutely free. Call and order a Swedge right now so you can feel ultimate security in your home. This is a special limited TV offer. Don't miss out. Get your Swedge today.